Look. Can't start. Let's try again. Still can't start. Do you know the reason? Let's go to the front. The owner of the car originally called a tow truck, cost $800. I quickly stopped him. I said maybe I could help him out. This is the tool I brought. Generally speaking, there are two reasons why a car cannot start. No electricity, no oil spray. Let's check it out. First, check whether there is power. Let's take out the spark plug. Disconnect the connector. Loosen this screw. Pull out the ignition coil. Remove the spark plug. Then insert the spark plug back into the ignition coil. Plug the connector back in. Okay, help me start the car. Look, it's not powered on. Reinstall the spark plug. Check again to see if oil is sprayed. Let's unplug this pipe. Check to see if any oil comes out. Get a bottle to catch it. Help me start the car. Look, no oil came out. Turn off the car. Let's put the pipe back on. Now there is no electricity or fuel injection. Then the problem will be solved easily. Look. Did you see this car part? It's called the crankshaft position sensor. Let's take it apart and inspect it. Then disconnect the connector. Okay, let's take it out. The cause of the problem was found. Look, there are iron filings all over it. No wonder the signal is blocked. Let's wipe it clean. Wipe off the iron filings. Oh my god, too dirty. Look, now the iron filings have been cleaned up. Let's reinstall it. Okay, next, I start the car. See if the startup is successful. If it can be started successfully, friends, please give me a like. May God bless you. If you still follow me, have any car questions, feel free to come to me. Let's go. Apply the brakes first. Start up. Look, started successfully. The power is also very strong. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn some car knowledge every day.